Can you explain how flashing your car back to stock before going to the dealer to keep your warranty, does it not change your flash counter on the ECU?
We've talked about this a bunch. It depends on the specific ECU type. A number of them we do maintain whatever flash count it had when we first saw it. So as far as that goes, we try and just put the ECU back exactly as we found it when you go back to stock. Whether that's going to get you around a warranty thing, that's not the intent. I mean, it's just to put things back exactly as we found them. We can't speak as to what the dealers or the OEMs are looking for, but yeah, it's.
I don't think flash counters are nearly that.
It's not
they're not that problematic.
Yeah.
And it's a pretty, like we always discuss, flash counters. There's no standard like your car is this old and this flash counter has to be this exact number of flashes. That's not a thing. So
because
you go to a dealership, they could flash it 4 or 5 times when they're trying to do something.
Yeah, or an independents are able to flash these cars as well. So via the OEM tools as well. So
if you have an egregious amount of flashes,
flash counters aren't the be all end all.
They could ask you what's going on, but I think people forget, like, you are the customer. You did buy this car for a lot of money, and it's actually the dealerships, the OEMs, they owe you legally a warranty. It's a consumer protection thing.
Right, and they have to indicate or show or prove that whatever they deem the cause is caused by whatever they're claiming is denied.
They can't just pull things out of their ass. Doesn't mean that they won't try, and doesn't mean that you might have to escalate things and spend way too much time yelling at people further and further up the chain. But in general, the issue that we see is people go to the dealership with a tune that's clearly causing an issue, and that's when they get in trouble.